folks, welcome back to Desert Adventures in Arizona. My name is Steve. Behind me is my sidekick, Doggy Duke. And today's project is to evaluate sun direction on solar panels. Now here in the southern Arizona region, in the wintertime, there is a difference of 55 degrees in the angle of the sun between winter and summer. So with that drastic difference, laying your panels flat reduces the energy that you pick up from the sun. And my plan is to install solar panels on top of the RV, and I want to put brackets on to angle two of them so that I can pick up more energy from the sun as compared to them just being flat. So come on along. Doggy Duke is supervising today, and I'll show you how I'm going to do this. Okay, here's some geeky information for you. This is a Renogy 100-watt panel, and it typically operates at 6.1 amps current. Okay, so here's the panel flat on the ground. I've got it wired up here to this charge controller. And let's look and see what the output is. You can see right now 3.2. It's bouncing around a little bit, but it's about 3.2 amps right now. So let me change the angle and I'll show you how it increases. Okay, here it is angled not quite 45 degrees. So we'll see what the difference is. So I'm getting 5.2, 5.3 amps out of it. So you can see the difference. And it's already charged the battery up to 99%. Okay, so we know that tilting the panel increases the energy captured. But how do you do that on an RV? Let me show you. Okay, here's the kit that I selected. This is an eco-worthy 28-inch system. And what I like about it is you see all the holes in the brackets. You can adjust the angle however you want simply by putting these short pieces in and then changing the angle on your panel to fit the location that you're at. Now the only drawback to these that I can see is they're flat. So if you have a curved roof, they won't work real well. A slight curve, you can get away with it. I'll show you how I did it. Okay, here we are up on the roof. Here's the bottom bracket I'm going to glue on to the RV roof, and you can see it's not quite level, but I think we can make it work. Now I'll need to clean the surfaces, make sure they're good and clean before I apply it, and I'll be using this 70% alcohol to do that. Make sure I get all the oxidation powder off so I get a good bond. First I'll be using this 3M VHB tape, which is high bond tape. And then I'll be using the self-leveling white die-core that you see that I used on the other panel. That'll be on top of that tape. And then this yellow roll here is a Turnabond tape. I'll use that on top of both of those. And this worked real well. You can see those panels in the back there. That's what I used on those three panels. They've been up there over 6 months and they're working real well. Okay, here's the finished product. All glued and taped down. And you can see how they can be adjusted either direction. So I've got that one facing one direction, this one facing the other. Now I normally wouldn't do that. I'd face them towards the sun, but I wanted to show you how this bracket system works. So far I'm pretty happy with it. It's very solid. And we'll see how it works.